Hello friends, today I am back again. I will okay. Today I'll show you the post edit options where I left the previous video. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I was working in this post 2. Okay, I'm going to edit this, and last day I have shown you these options, few of these post edit screens options. So I'll try to show you the rest of the things today. Let's see how much I can show you today. Okay, okay, let's see what this option is. I really didn't try this option before. Actually, most of these new post edit skins option I didn't use, but I think I can uh, show you how it is work and the purpose of it. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, uh, here's an pop-up showing uh, here's an here's a pop-up showing where we can search and search command or settings. Okay, let's just search. Let's think like publish. Let's see, publish, POBLISS. mm, okay, what I have understand that uh, all of the options is not available here. You can add products from here quickly. uh, you can navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Okay, click on it. Yeah, you can navigate to the settings from here. It's actually a list of the shortcuts, and we can search the shortcuts by name from here. We already seen that we have clicked on the products. Okay, let's see, would like to go to the products, or let's see, we can would like to go to the open code editor and see how it works. Okay, I'm clicking on it. Yeah, so this actually enables the code editor. I'm clicking on it to exit it. Okay, so how can we enable the code editor manually? There is a option here at the three dot menu. Yeah, here is the option is the code editor here. Right now we are using visual editor, but we are switching to the code editor. Yeah, and this code editor is used as a shortcode here also. So you can also switch from the code editor to code code editor from here. I hope you understand. Okay, here is another menu, which is the name of it is document overview. If you have used Microsoft Word or the Google Doc, there is an option at the left side that you can navigate, or you will see an outline of the entire document. So those outline options are available here too. I think, I'm not sure, I didn't use it, but by reading the name, I just understood that it is what available in the available in the Google Doc too. So we are so when we are clicking on the document overview, what I am expecting is that we'll see the post 2, and we'll see only one outline, which is post 2. Will not will As well as, I think, I may also notice there is a paragraph or description from the outline, but the description itself or the paragraph itself will not show at the outline. So let's see. We'd like to add a heading. I'd like to make it heading 2. So heading 2, and I'd like to use a paragraph from here. Okay, and then another heading. Use another paragraph here, and inside this paragraph I'd like to use a list. I think sorry, not inside, below of that paragraph I'd like to use a list. Okay, okay, I'd like to use a quotation here. Okay, let's see how the outline actually shows here. Okay, before seeing that, I'm expecting that I'll see the at the beginning in the outline will be post 2, and then there is a paragraph, then there is a heading, and there is a list items, then another heading, and then the block quote. There might be other things, but I think it will make sense. Yeah, so this is a list view. There is two options, which is list view and another is outline. So what I was talking about is the outline. So let's click on the outline first. Okay, yeah, here we can see that we are only see the heading 2 and heading 3. So the list items and the block quotes are not used as the outline. So what we have understand is that since this is the heading 1, so this is not here, included in the outline. So I think this makes sense, and only the headings are used in the outline, so that we can easily understand that we can so that we can easily summarize what is written inside this document. Okay, let's see, I am adding another heading. Okay, you can see that the another heading is we have used is S4, and this is here is actually showing that the heading 4 is a little far than from heading 3 according to the outline. Okay, let's add another heading 2, and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, and you can see that the S2 is the first level. So by this kind of the, I think, outline tree, you can easily understand what's inside this document, and as well as how much character do you have in this document, and words, and how much time it will read. So it will take less than 1 minute to read. And at the list view, you'll be able to see the details of this page, but not exactly all details, but at least mm, the information you will be able to understand what's inside this document a little briefly. For example, this is the paragraph heading 2, and another paragraph, another list items, another list item, and heading quote, another heading. I think you will see every elements, every element, I think every element in this page will be outlined as a list view here. You can also expand the list from here, and you will see that there is the list items, and there is another feature, available, use case. There is another use case of this, is that you can, whenever you need to scroll down to a specific, for example, you have a long document or post in this post, long contents. So so you want to go to a specific part of this document, so you can easily click here. You can easily just open the outline, and click on the list view is open by default. Just click on the element here where you want to jump, so that you can go there and start edit or adding some new content there. Okay, I just yeah, so okay, you can see that I just came into the paragraph, and I can write here whatever I want, or edit it as I want. Okay. There is another two button here, which is undo and redo. I think you already know it, because this is a common thing, and it is used almost everywhere. And by clicking on it, you can view all the posts we have created. Okay, let's see, click on it. Since we have made some changes, so, and we didn't save it, so we'd like to going to save it, and then we'll be able to view the post from by clicking here. You can see that. And I think I am at the last part what I was showing you, but if it needs a little more time to cover all of these options, I'll take a little more time, and I'll try to make it in another tutorial. Okay, let's see how does this work, what is the purpose of this button. Okay, at the tooltip, the button is showing that toggle block inserter, which means we can insert something from here. which is called, I think, blocks. Okay, by clicking on it we can see that here is side panel open, and we can also see that this is post. This is post. This is the post. And if you are in, for example, we'd like to edit the. Okay, I think this is not part of it. This post is showing that this is post. I think this post is the type of the post. If we are stay at the, if we edit at the page, so I think the location will show, this location will show you the page, I think. So let's see it. Yeah, here you can see that this is here is showing the page. Baba, 1 minute. Okay, anyway, I'm going to show you all of the options available here in the next tutorial. See you till then. Bye bye.